I'm looking like a policeman. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Essy. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my outfit plan for 1 week from Monday to Friday. Winter outfit plan, okay? So the first outfit on my list is my Levi's t-shirt. Yeah, as you can see from the video, my link over here, this and this, I think they look good. And also the t-shirt itself is not as white, it has some patches of beige. This sweater from Mango, I got this sweater a few weeks ago. Yeah, so I'm going to like protect myself from the cold. So t-shirt inside, and then this beautiful sweater. This white sneakers from Adidas. Yeah, I'm going to wear these white sneakers from Adidas. We all know Adidas, so yeah. Here I have to take, so yeah, I need this bag. Thing that I'm going to put on top is of course my trench coat. As you can see, the trench coat is from H&M. It's cream in color and very beautiful. The second outfit is my jeans from Guess with the black top from from H&M, of course. Yeah, I love my Guess belt. I only have one black belt now, and I'm in the process of collecting more nice long-lasting belts. Thing I'm going to put on is the cardigan from Scotch and Soda. My boots from New Look, and yeah, then I'm going to be carrying my laptop bag, which is from Echo. Okay, so that's the outfit for Tuesday. So Wednesday's outfit is my favorite outfit. I'll be going to school, and I'll also be meeting a friend later in the day, so yeah, it's one of my favorites. First thing that I'll be wearing is my jeans from Tommy. That I'll be putting on is my top, my beautiful black top from this shop in Kenya. What is it called? Oh my god. Find the shop in Garden City Mall, Thika Road Mall, and Two Rivers. Anyway, that black top is from a shop in Kenya. Yeah, the sweater is so beautiful. It's from Shein. I was trying this online shopping thing, so I started with one item. And I'm here to say that I'm not disappointed. The sweater is good quality and it looks good on me. To remember my boots from Lloyd. Yeah, those are the boots I'll be wearing on Wednesday. It's cold, guys, so I'm going to be throwing in my jacket from Only. I bought it at Berlin Outlet Center. I think that's my favorite outfit so far. Moving on to my Thursday's outfit: white t-shirt, my black pants from H&M. The white t-shirt is from Gikomba. Gikomba is a marketplace in Kenya. You can Google and see how it looks like. It's a very beautiful marketplace. And because it's cold, I'm going to wear my black sweater again from H&M. So yeah, I have my black pants, black sweater, white t-shirt in. So the next thing I'm going to throw on is that thing on my head. Barrette? Is it called barrette? I'm looking like a policeman. Yo, Friday's outfit is the most crazy outfit, but it's just my Adidas suit. I'll be chilling at home, so I don't need an outfit on Friday. So yeah, this is the outfit I'll have. My white t-shirt from Gikomba, written super girl. I think it's from Think Twice. Okay, only Kenyans can relate. It's from Think Twice or Gikomba. Yeah, the t-shirt is white in color, and then I'll be wearing my tracksuit. As you can see there, I'm wearing my tracksuit from Adidas. Yeah, this is my airport look, but I'll be chilling at home with my pinky shoes. This brings us to the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Tell me, which was your favorite outfit? For me, it was Wednesday's outfit. And yeah, see you in the next video.